I have finally crafted the Star Shaper in Sols RNG, and I decided, why not test its luck? So I decided to craft 6 Heavenly 2 potions and pop them in the rainy biome. And specifically a rainy biome because I do want Abyssal Hunter. Yeah, somehow I still don't have Abyssal Hunter, and I don't know how, but hopefully today is the day we get it. So will we get Abyssal Hunter or any other global? Make sure to watch and find out. And if you do enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm trying to get the Content Creator badge in Sols RNG, and it would mean a lot to me. Now let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, I gotta get all the buffs for the cauldron. I completely forgot what I do not have, so... I'm just gonna go in biomes and then just get as much biomes as I can. I'm gonna try and aim for Null and Corruption because they give the most luck. Star-Scourge Radiant are gonna be at the same chance, so... And I don't want to risk a 1.5 chance for either one of the R's. Because I already have Radiant. I already have Star-Scourge Radiant, so... And I really want Abyssal because... I still can't believe I don't have Abyssal, but... Yeah, I really want Abyssal Hunter, so... Yeah, hopefully they come up soon. What the heck? I just got an Arcane Legacy. What? What the heck? Oh my gosh. I just realized I didn't have my mic on. Okay, well, that didn't go so well. I do have other clips of me cooking with the Star Shaper device. And I still can't believe I got this while wearing it overnight. Okay, so this would be the end of the video, but this is not what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about.